My name is Peter Rogers, co-founder and senior advisor at FrontPoint Security. And today we're going to talk about how to install a light timer for safety. Lots of us know that our home is safer if there's light when we're away. And one way to accomplish that is by setting lights on timers. Home automation has come a long way, not just in terms of light control, but also being able to remotely control locks and even thermostats. But when it comes to lighting control, one of the most important features is the ability to set them on timers. When you're away, you want to make it look as if people are home. The traditional light timer could be set on a standard schedule. And in fact, at the same time, at night your lights would go on, and at the same time they would go off. Much more effective is a random schedule or lights that you can control remotely. The traditional light timers are simple plug-in devices, and that's what I used growing up in my home. But today, a different type of module that's controllable remotely is really changing light timing. This is a ZWave device, one of many that's available. ZWave and Zigbee are the two hot technologies for remote wireless control. That means you can control your lights not only from other places within your home, but even remotely. Just imagine using your iPhone to turn your lights on and off, or to set up a schedule for your lights. Now that's security. And when it comes to safety, think about the ability to tie your lights to an alarm system. For instance, when a door opens, a light goes on. If there's a fire, lights go on in your home to light up your exit path. Or if there's an intrusion alarm, if a burglar breaks in, other lights go on. All of these features and functionality are available from today's more advanced alarm systems. One last point. Remember that the best alarm systems actually use a cellular connection for monitoring. That concludes today's discussion of how to use light timers for safety. Again, my name is Peter Rogers from FrontPoint Security. Thanks very much.